Yeah. So now we're gonna be doing papaya chutney. Papaya chutney is also some chutneys anyway, side dishes that we use. We accompany with every dish in the country. Either it's pumpkin, golden apple, mango, or papaya. This is green papaya. It has to be green. Papaya, you take the papaya, you peel it like you're peeling a mango. You peel and then you grate it. You know, like you're grating carrots. You take carrots, you're grating carrots. It's the same concept. Then what you do is you squeeze the water out. You squeeze the water out of the green papaya. Like this. Put it here, transfer it here. You just squeeze it out, all the water, all the excess water. Now, bring it here. Oil. Oil. You heat up your pan, make sure it's pretty hot. Salt. Pepper. And onions. Red onions are very nice. Also for the color, the contrast between the green and of onions. And then we're gonna give it a good stir fry. Yep. Now, it's pretty hot, so you add the papaya and the onions. And as well, we normally always add chili, but it's up to you, depending how much you can take. But that you do at the end, because while you're stirring with the hot oil, it goes straight to your nose if you add chili while you are stirring. Towards the end, just before you take it out. Lime juice. Some lime juice. Not thoroughly cooked, but you need a little bit of crunchiness from it. And we are done with the papaya.